I'm DJ Izm from Ballin. My birthday is today and we're here celebrating it. We thought, you know what, let's have a little birthday party, a little celebration and get together. This is the 3rd year in a row that we've done this, so we're going to make it the 4th next time and make it bigger and better.
I'm Nathan from Magic Butter Australia. This is the 3rd instalment of this particular event. We started out a couple of years ago, inviting him along to a cook-up that we were doing. Coincidentally, it was his birthday that we found out, so we made it into a birthday celebration for him. It's enjoyable to see the effects come from it from a recreational side. It's extremely satisfying to see the positive effects coming from the medical side, more importantly.
We did a 3-course menu based off sort of Italian theme. So we did a carbonara stuffed into a cob loaf topped with parmesan and grilled with infused butter that obviously we used the machine to make. The main, we had lasagna, which was infused as well with butter, and then just made a mud cake with infused butter once again.
It took about at least 35 minutes cooking, and then by the time I had the cake and the ice cream, I was, feeling it mad full of So pretty much, an hour and a half later, 2 hours? Yeah, fuck man, get the onion, get it, magic butter. Get the hook up and start making your own infused shit. This is gonna be the future, 100%.
Layers upon really good quality CBD and THC. Not overpowering, but enough to really make you feel the way I feel right now, nice and relaxed. I'm really ripped from the meal that I've just had. It was so good, and if you've ever wanted to get into it, you'll have the time of your life with cake, I'm telling you. Magic butter, so that.